Hello everyone. And welcome back once again to another interesting video. In today's video we'll explore the revolutionary impact of generative AI on coaching and mentoring for 2024 and beyond. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. In the fast-paced and dynamic landscape of the 21st century, the role of coaching and mentoring has become increasingly crucial for personal and professional development. As we step into 2024, a new era is dawning with the integration of generative artificial intelligence or generative AI into coaching and mentoring practices. This cutting-edge technology holds the promise of transforming traditional coaching models, offering personalized, scalable, and efficient solutions. This video explores the revolutionary impact of generative AI on coaching and mentoring, envisioning a future where individuals can harness the full potential of AI to achieve unprecedented levels of growth and success. 1. Understanding generative AI. Generative AI, a subset of artificial intelligence, focuses on the creation of content that is indistinguishable from human-generated content. This technology employs deep learning techniques to generate text, images, and even videos, replicating human-like patterns and responses. In the context of coaching and mentoring, generative AI acts as a virtual assistant, providing valuable insights, advice, and guidance to individuals seeking personal and professional development. 2. Personalized coaching experience. One of the key advantages of integrating generative AI into coaching and mentoring is the ability to deliver highly personalized experiences. Traditional coaching methods often struggle to tailor advice to the specific needs and preferences of individuals. Generative AI, however, excels in understanding and analyzing vast amounts of data, allowing it to create customized coaching programs that resonate with the unique requirements of each individual. The AI-driven coaching experience begins with an in-depth analysis of the individual's background, goals, strengths, and weaknesses. Through natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, generative AI can decipher patterns in communication, learning preferences, and problem-solving approaches. This information is then utilized to generate personalized coaching content, offering insights and strategies tailored to the individual's personality and aspirations. 3. Scalability and accessibility. One of the challenges in traditional coaching and mentoring is scalability. Human coaches often face limitations in terms of the number of clients they can effectively manage, resulting in a scarcity of quality coaching resources. Generative AI addresses this challenge by providing a scalable solution that can reach a vast number of individuals simultaneously. Through online platforms and applications, generative AI-powered coaching and mentoring programs can offer accessible and affordable guidance to a global audience. This democratization of coaching services ensures that individuals from diverse backgrounds and geographical locations can benefit from high-quality mentorship, leveling the playing field and unlocking potential on a massive scale. 4. Real-time feedback and continuous improvement. Generative AI's ability to analyze real-time data and provide instant feedback is a game-changer in the coaching and mentoring landscape. Traditional coaching sessions often involve periodic assessments and feedback, leaving individuals to navigate challenges without immediate guidance. Generative AI, on the other hand, can offer real-time insights, enabling individuals to make informed decisions and adjustments on the fly. Moreover, the AI continuously learns from each interaction, adapting its coaching strategies based on the individual's responses and progress. This iterative learning process ensures that the coaching experience evolves over time, becoming increasingly effective and tailored to the individual's changing needs. 5. Overcoming cultural and language barriers. In a globalized world, coaching and mentoring often face challenges related to cultural differences and language barriers. Generative AI, equipped with advanced language translation capabilities and cultural sensitivity algorithms, has the potential to bridge these gaps seamlessly. Individuals from diverse cultural backgrounds can receive coaching that is not only linguistically accurate but also culturally relevant. The AI's ability to adapt communication styles and cultural nuances ensures that coaching and mentoring resonate with individuals from different parts of the world, fostering a truly inclusive and globalized approach to personal and professional development. 6. Ethical considerations and human-AI collaboration. While the integration of generative AI into coaching and mentoring offers unparalleled benefits, it also raises important ethical considerations. Ensuring the responsible use of AI in coaching involves addressing issues such as data privacy, bias mitigation, and the potential for over-reliance on technology. Human-AI collaboration emerges as a critical aspect of ethical coaching practices. Generative AI should complement, not replace, human coaches and mentors. The human touch remains irreplaceable in areas such as empathy, emotional intelligence, and nuanced understanding of individual experiences. Striking a balance between the capabilities of generative AI and the human touch in coaching is essential to maintain ethical standards and foster a holistic development experience. 7. Future trends and possibilities. As generative AI continues to evolve, the future of coaching and mentoring holds exciting possibilities. Advanced AI models may incorporate augmented reality or AR and virtual reality or VR technologies to create immersive coaching environments. Virtual mentors with lifelike avatars could provide an even more engaging and personalized coaching experience. Additionally, the integration of generative AI with other emerging technologies, such as blockchain for secure data management and edge computing for faster processing, could further enhance the capabilities and reliability of AI-driven coaching solutions. Conclusion. The marriage of generative AI and coaching and mentoring represents a paradigm shift in how individuals approach personal and professional development. The scalability, personalization, and real-time feedback offered by AI-driven coaching have the potential to empower individuals on a global scale, breaking down barriers and unlocking untapped potential. While the journey towards integrating generative AI into coaching and mentoring comes with ethical considerations and challenges, the future holds immense promise. With responsible implementation and a commitment to human-AI collaboration, the coaching and mentoring landscape in 2024 is poised to revolutionize the way individuals navigate their paths to success, growth, and fulfillment. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.